Hey guys, Ash Bedford down here at the Brighton Bus Health Club. We've got a video today, an instructional video going through the 5 progressions of the push-up. And if you know me and you know my program, you know that I love the push-up. It's a staple in our programming. It's really good for building strength through your shoulders, through your midline, also through your hips as well if you do it properly. So it's a real total body strength builder. The first progression of the push-up, the most simple and level 1 of where we want to start people at, is on an incline. So we like to use the rail here at the Brighton Bus Health Club. So I'm going to demonstrate a few reps on the incline. Okay, so setting up like this with your feet together, body in a straight line. You want your chest to come down, to touch the rail, and then press back up, control down, press back up. We're keeping our belly nice and tight. We're also squeezing the bar nice and hard to get that irradiation through our whole body. And that way, we're really evenly distributing our weight through our whole body. We're using not just our arms, but we're using our whole body and our chest and all those big muscles to push ourselves away. So that's a really good strength builder. That's the first progression. That's where you're going to start if you are new to push-ups. Guys, the next progression of the push-up is to find an incline that is a little bit lower than what you might have used at first. So first of all, you might have used a rail that was quite high, but then once you get good at that, you want to move on to something that's a bit lower. So you might find a bench like this, and you might come down and press up like that, still applying all the same principles, keeping your body in a straight line, keeping your shoulders in a good position. That's the next progression. Guys, the next progression after that, once you're comfortable doing it on a low bench, you might want to try it off your knees on the ground. So it looks like this. Still have my body in a straight line. I'm still going to get my chest all the way to the ground. Okay, so that's off your knees, guys. You might find that a little bit easier than doing it on a low bench. So just weigh up sort of what level you're at with that and just make a sensible choice. Next progression after that is a negative push-up where we just focus on controlling that way down and then resetting back at the top. So it starts on the ground like this. Body in a nice straight line, and we're going to take about 3 to 4 seconds to come down. Then we're going to come back up off our knees. Reset. Reset. So that's a negative push-up, guys. Those ones are quite tough, and you might feel them a little bit more the next day because the muscle fibers are tearing so much. Now guys, the final progression of the push-up, and this is where you want to get to, and this is something that if you're a male or a female and you want to like characterize yourself as being a strong person with healthy shoulders that has a strong midline and good posture, then doing a correct chest to ground strict push-up is something that's really good to aim for. So I think, and part of our program, we coach all our clients up on how to get good at these because it is such a good strength builder. It helps develop your physique, your posture, helps a longevity, like really lots of benefits of getting good at the basic push-up. So when you've ticked all those boxes, you've started on the incline, you got to a lower incline, you've gone to your knees, and then you've tried the negative push-ups. If you've built up enough strength, then you can try a full chest to ground push-up, which is what we're going to do now. I'll give you a demo of a few reps. Okay, so nice and simple, guys. A lot of people get the push-up wrong. They might go halfway down. Make sure you get that chest to the ground. I always make sure that my clients get all the way down, all the way back up. They get that full range of motion. That's what's going to make the biggest difference and give you the biggest bang for your buck. Great exercise, guys. Don't underestimate the basics, the simple exercises. This will help you get strong, get you fit, improve your posture, improve your physique, and just make you feel great, guys. I love doing these in the morning to just boost my energy and get me feeling great and take on the day. So guys, if you're not doing them already, start small, start with the first progression, build up to it, get good at them, aim up to getting to a chest to ground push-up. It will make you feel amazing, guys. If you have any questions, send them through info@ashbedford.com, in the page, comment below, or you can head down to the club, you can find me, you can chat to me. We've got lots of coaches, guys, especially in all different areas, so we'd love to see you down here, guys. Cheers.